This is my Filipino Emily. Are you ready to go? Jesus Christ, get in the truck. Okay, Monday, July 1st, Canada Day. Let's go check in and see what Dad's up to. So, what's going on today? You had a couple days off?
No, I've been going every day.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna tidy up here, put some shit away,
Okay.
get everything scattered around.
Okay, so Dad and I spent about the last 2-3 hours cleaning up the shop. There's Filipino Emily, our neighbor dog. She just loves the shop. So Dad put away all his tools and we just cleaned everything up and made it real nice and tidy, and just kept on sweeping and wiping things down. So all his tools are back where they're supposed to be, and I've watered down the shop floor here to wipe everything down, make it nice, neat, and tidy. So again, all we have to do now is get Perky back to get his tracks back on his machine and out the door. I got to get Peter his tires back. These are Perky's tires, and the dogs are pretty excited about the next project, but I'll tell you, cleaning is a lot easier when my father's involved, because I can just clean and put stuff aside, and then he can go through everything. This is all keepables. Most of that stuff I probably would have thrown out. And if you think that my father doesn't have a plan for everything, I had to sort some metal, and there was even a piece of wire that I got questioned on here about an hour and a half ago. I had picked up a piece of wire off the ground and it wasn't the right wire, and then I got questioned on it and blah blah blah. But yeah, stuff's put away here, more stuff here. We just fired up the furnace for the afternoon because it's raining outside. Burned a lot of old boxes and stuff like that. But yeah, Dad's ready for more work here with his other customers, but still some more cleaning has to be done here. But quite a remarkable change, and we'll probably end up checking in with Dad tomorrow.